Have you ever felt chills or goosebumps when listening to your favorite song? You're not alone. This happens because music activates the brain's reward system. It releases dopamine, the feel-good chemical, similar to when you eat your favorite food. Chills often come when the music surprises us, like a sudden change in melody, a powerful drop, or a heartfelt lyric. Scientists call this a frisson, and it's a sign that music is truly moving you. So the next time music gives you chills, know that your brain is celebrating the moment. Isn't that cool?